How are you today? How are you today? តើអ្នកសុខសប្បាយជាទេ I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you. ខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយជាទេអរគុណ Are you feeling well? Are you feeling well? តើអ្នកមានអារម្មណ៍ល្អដែរឬទេ Yes, I am feeling fine, thank you. Yes, I am feeling fine, thank you. បាទខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ល្អអរគុណ Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? តើអ្នកគេងលក់ស្រួលទេយប់មិញ Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. បាទខ្ញុំគេងលក់ស្រួលណាស់ Are you tired? Are you tired? តើអ្នកអស់កម្លាំងមែនទេ A little. I had a busy day. A little. I had a busy day. អស់កម្លាំងតិចតួចខ្ញុំរវល់ខ្លាំងពេក How do you usually relax? How do you usually relax? តើអ្នកជាធម្មតាសម្រាកដោយរបៀបណា I like to listen to music or read a book. I like to listen to music or read a book. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តស្ដាប់ចម្រៀងឬក៏អានសៀវភៅ Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like